Hey everyone, quick review here on Euro. Last week, we discussed how the Euro-USD pair is in a large range consolidation. I talked about a few possibilities for what might happen next after we saw this bullish imbalance that happened on NFP week. I mentioned that we should not rely too much on this low, as it probably would not hold the price. And true to that, the price broke through it on Thursday, and on the next day it kept dropping lower, breaking through the external range, which is a monthly swing low discount array. Before we dive into next week analysis, hit the subscribe button if you want to stay updated with these videos that may help you navigate the market effectively. Without further ado, see you after the disclaimer. We talked about how during this consolidation phase on Euro-USD, I don't expect the price to keep the lows. However, knowing that the price broke through a monthly swing low and formed fair value gaps on both the 4-hour and daily charts, we need to keep in mind that we're currently in a deep weekly discount zone. Also, remember the power of three concept, which is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. In short, accumulation is represented by the consolidation phase. Manipulation is the initial move by the price towards either buy stops or sell stops, and distribution is the trend that follows, which typically moves in a direction opposite to the manipulation move. Applying my premium and discount arrays on the chart, we can observe that the price is currently hovering just above a bullish daily fair value gap. Additionally, there are multiple bearish fair value gaps above it on the 4-hour chart. Examining the economic calendar, we notice that there are high-impact news events scheduled throughout the whole week. This could result in either a volatile yet manageable week, or one that's quite challenging to navigate. For those who are not up to date with political news, Iran launched an attack on Israel a few hours ago this Sunday. This might lead to an opening gap in the market for the upcoming week, so have that on your notes. After going through all this information, here's my forecast for the upcoming week. The price has reached a critical area by entering the discount zone of the weekly range and triggering the buy stops from the consolidation phase along with it. However, the issue is that it was done with a displacement, which isn't a healthy price action for a bullish bias. In all this mess, I'll keep it simple. If the price is at the daily fair value gap on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, I'll go for bullish trades. If it's at one of the 4-hour fair value gaps on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, I'll go for bearish trades. And remember, all of this should happen during a kill zone time. I want to say that I'm anticipating a short-term consolidation phase to form here. With that in mind, whichever is my bias, I don't expect the opposite end of the range to be breached, especially if the week gave me a bullish bias. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found it helpful for your studies. Till next time, be safe.